Welcome back to Stock Market Analyst, where we break down the latest stock market trends, analysis, and investment strategies. Today, we're focusing on Magna International Inc., MGA, one of the leading global automotive suppliers. We'll cover everything you need to know about Magna stock analysis, including its recent performance, financial health, stock forecast, and strategies for both long-term and short-term investors. If you're interested in the MGA stock forecast or how Magna fits into the future of the automotive sector, stick around. Company Overview. Magna International Inc., MGA, is a Canadian-based global automotive supplier with a strong presence in over 28 countries. Founded in 1957, Magna designs, engineers, and manufactures innovative components and systems for the automotive industry. With products ranging from powertrains and vehicle structures to seats, electronics, and complete vehicle assembly, Magna is an integral part of the global automotive supply chain. Known for its cutting-edge technology in electric vehicles, EVs, autonomous driving systems, and lightweight materials, Magna is uniquely positioned as a key player in the transition to more sustainable automotive solutions. In today's Magna stock analysis, we'll look at how these strengths are impacting the company's stock performance and outlook. Recent news. Let's start with the latest updates on Magna International Inc. Recently, Magna announced that it has secured a major contract to supply electric vehicle components for one of the largest automakers in North America. This is a significant win for Magna as the shift toward EVs continues to gain momentum. Magna's expertise in EV powertrains, battery enclosures, and autonomous driving systems positions them as a major supplier for future vehicles. Additionally, Magna recently reported strong quarterly earnings, which exceeded analysts' expectations. Magna reported revenues of $12.5 billion for Q3 2024, a 7% increase year-over-year. YoY, compared to $11.7 billion in Q3 2023. However, like many companies in the automotive sector, Magna is also facing challenges related to the global supply chain and semiconductor shortages. These developments could affect its near-term stock performance, but the longer-term outlook remains positive, especially with the continued push toward electrification in the automotive industry. Stock performance. Looking at Magna's stock performance, MGA shares have shown steady growth over the past year, but the stock has also experienced volatility. In the last 12 months, the stock has traded between $40 and $70 per share, reflecting investor sentiment around the company's future in the face of industry-wide challenges. After a dip in early 2023, the stock has made a strong comeback, driven by the company's robust earnings report and new contract wins. However, Magna stock has been somewhat overshadowed by high-growth electric vehicle manufacturers like Tesla, which has led to mixed opinions from analysts. In today's MGA stock analysis, we'll discuss whether Magna can continue to outperform its competitors, especially as the automotive sector transitions to electric vehicles. Fundamental analysis. Fundamentally, Magna remains a strong company. In its latest earnings report, Magna showed revenue growth of 12% year-over-year, driven by increased demand for EV parts and systems. Profit margins have remained relatively stable, and the company continues to generate strong cash flow, allowing for reinvestment into new technologies. Debt levels are also manageable, and Magna has a solid balance sheet. The company's price-to-earnings (P/E) ratio is 11.69, which is competitive compared to other auto suppliers, but it's still on the higher side when compared to traditional auto parts suppliers like Valeo or Bosch. Magna's competitive edge lies in its diversified portfolio, which includes a mix of traditional automotive parts, EV components, and complete vehicle manufacturing, providing it with multiple revenue streams. Technical analysis. Now, let's move on to the technical side of things. Looking at Magna's stock chart, we see that the 50-day moving average is currently above the 200-day moving average, indicating a bullish trend in the near term. The stock has recently bounced off a key support level around $30 per share, and it's facing resistance at the $60 mark. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is in neutral territory, which suggests that Magna's stock isn't overbought or oversold at the moment. MACD is also showing signs of upward momentum, but it's still early to confirm a clear breakout. For traders, these signals indicate that there could be an opportunity to buy on pullbacks or trade within the range. But for long-term investors, Magna's overall trend looks positive, especially with the growing demand for EV components. Stock forecast. So, what's the outlook for Magna stock going forward? Analysts are relatively optimistic, with a 12-month price target ranging from $48.19 to $55.23 per share, representing a potential upside of about 10–20% from current levels. The primary drivers of this forecast include Magna's increasing role in the electric vehicle market, its diversified product lineup, and strong partnerships with major automakers. However, some analysts caution that the stock could face headwinds in the short term due to ongoing supply chain issues and macroeconomic uncertainties. Despite these risks, Magna's solid fundamentals and strategic focus on EVs make it a strong candidate for long-term growth. Strategy for long-term and short-term investors. For long-term investors, Magna offers a compelling case, especially with its focus on electric vehicles, autonomous driving technologies, and its diversified portfolio in the auto industry. If you believe that Magna will continue to be a major player in the EV revolution, holding MGA stock for the long haul could provide significant upside. A good strategy here would be to buy and hold, especially if the stock dips below key support levels like $25–40. For short-term traders, Magna's stock is currently in a bit of a trading range, which can offer opportunities for buying on dips near support levels and selling near resistance. The upcoming quarterly earnings report could trigger short-term volatility, making it an ideal time for traders to position themselves accordingly. Additionally, MGA stock could see momentum if the broader market sentiment on electric vehicles continues to improve. That's all for today's Magna International Inc. stock analysis. Magna is certainly a company to keep an eye on, especially as the automotive industry transitions toward electric vehicles. Whether you're considering it for long-term growth or short-term trading opportunities, Magna's solid fundamentals and industry position make it an interesting stock to watch. Let me know your thoughts on MGA stock in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more market analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.